The 7 best protein powders for weight loss. Protein powders have long appealed to people that want to create muscle and become stronger. But they will also help those that want to shed weight. As a convenient and attractive thanks to increase your protein intake, these powders offer many weight loss benefits, like appetite control. They're highly concentrated dairy or plant-based sources of protein which will contain added ingredients to assist weight loss also. Here are the 7 best protein powders for weight loss. 1. Coffee-flavored protein. From snickerdoodle to cake to cookies and cream, there's no shortage of protein powder flavors. Add to the combination coffee-flavored protein powders, which frequently contain coffee grounds that are full of the metabolism-boosting stimulant caffeine. For instance, this mocha-flavored whey protein by Dietary contains 25 grams of protein and 113 milligrams of caffeine per scoop, 36 grams, slightly quite an average 8-ounce, 237 ml, cup of coffee. In addition to boosting metabolism, caffeine also increases your stamina during workouts, allowing you to burn more fat and calories. This makes coffee protein blends the right snack 30 to 60 minutes before you exercise. What's more, the protein in these products can promote weight loss by decreasing your appetite, allowing you to chop back on the entire calories you consume every day. However, not all coffee-flavored protein powders contain caffeine, so read the nutrition label carefully. Summary: many coffee-flavored protein powders contain caffeine from coffee grounds. Taken together, protein and caffeine enhance weight loss. 2. Whey protein. Whey protein is perhaps the foremost popular protein powder today. Whey is one among 2 milk proteins, the other being casein. Because your body easily digests and absorbs whey protein, it's often taken after exercise for muscle building and recovery. While many studies support whey protein's conventional use for building muscle, many others suggest it's going to aid weight loss also. This product by Optimum Nutrition contains 24 grams of whey protein per scoop, 30 grams, and should support both muscle gain and fat loss. A review of 9 studies found that overweight or obese people that supplemented with whey protein lost more weight and gained more muscle mass than those that didn't. The same review reported that whey protein users also experienced significant improvements in vital sign, blood glucose control and cholesterol levels. These weight loss benefits stem mainly from whey protein's ability to decrease appetite, making you feeling fuller throughout the day. Summary: studies suggest that whey protein is effective for weight management, because it helps you feeling full longer and thereby lessens your appetite. 3. Casein protein. Casein, the other milk protein, is digested much slower than whey but shares many of its weight loss properties. Casein protein forms curds when exposed to your stomach acids. This suggests that your body takes an extended time, usually 6 to 7 hours, to digest and absorb it. However, the slow digestion rate of casein can assist you eat less by decreasing your appetite. In one study, 32 men consumed either a carbohydrate drink or casein, whey, egg or pea protein half-hour before eating an unrestricted meal. Researchers noticed that casein had the greatest impact on fullness and resulted within the fewest calories consumed. However, not all studies agree. In a different study, people who consumed whey protein 90 minutes before dining at a buffet had less hunger and ate fewer calories than those who consumed casein. These results suggest that casein could also be superior to whey protein only taken 30 rather than 90 minutes before a meal. However, more research is required to match casein to whey and other protein powders. Casein is additionally an excellent source of calcium. For example, this casein protein powder by Optimum Nutrition contains 60% of your daily value for calcium per scoop, 34 grams. Several observational studies have linked higher calcium intake to lower weight, though this effect has yet to be observed in randomized controlled trials, the gold standard of scientific evidence. Summary: casein protein may assist you shed weight by controlling hunger levels. Its high calcium content may aid weight loss also. 4. Soy protein. Soy protein is one among the few plant-based proteins that contain all 9 essential amino acids necessary for human health. As such, it's a high-quality source of protein that appeals to vegans or those who can't tolerate milk proteins. It has been shown to possess an impact on appetite. In one study, men got pizza 1 hour after consuming whey, soy or albumin protein. Though whey protein was associated with the best reduction in appetite, Soy was simpler than albumin protein at decreasing appetite and reducing the amount of calories consumed. Soy protein has also been shown to benefit women. One randomized study had postmenopausal women take 20 grams of either a soy or casein protein drink daily for 3 months. This is an equivalent amount of soy protein found in 1 scoop of elias soy protein powder. Those consuming soy lost more belly fat than those drinking casein, though the differences weren't significant. Similarly, another study in both men and ladies found that soy protein was like other sorts of protein for weight loss when used as a part of a low-calorie meal replacement program. Summary: soy protein may be a plant-based protein shown to reinforce weight loss comparatively to dairy-based proteins like casein. 5. Protein fortified with fiber. Plant-based foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes and grains are the simplest sources of dietary fiber. Benefits of getting enough fiber in your diet include normalizing bowel movements, lowering cholesterol levels, controlling blood sugars in people with type 2 diabetes and achieving a healthy weight. Like protein, fiber has been shown to decrease food intake and weight as a result. Unfortunately, much, if not all, of the fiber is removed during the manufacturing of plant-based protein powder. However, some mixed plant-based protein powders are fortified with fiber. Such products combine several protein sources, like pea, rice, chia seeds and garbanzo beans. Together, the protein and fiber create a synergistic effect that aids weight loss. Quite the ingredients individually. Look for mixed plant-based protein blends that contain quite 5 grams of fiber per serving. For instance, each 43-gram scoop of Fit Meal Replacement by Garden of Life packs 28 grams of protein from a spread of plant-based sources alongside 9 grams of fiber. Similarly, this protein powder from Orgain contains 21 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber for each 2 scoops. Summary: dietary fiber has many health benefits, including weight loss. Many mixed plant-based proteins are fortified with fiber for added weight loss benefits. 6. Egg white protein. If you dislike or cannot tolerate milk proteins, egg white protein may be a good alternative. While eggs' key nutrients are found within the yolk, egg white protein is formed only from whites, because the name suggests. It's created by processing dehydrated chicken egg whites into powder. Egg white protein products, like this one by Now Sports, undergo a process called pasteurization. This prevents salmonella and inactivates a protein called avidin, which binds with the B-complex vitamin biotin and hinders its absorption. The appetite-lowering impact of egg white protein isn't as strong as that of whey or casein, but research still suggests it can assist you eat fewer calories, aiding your weight loss efforts. Summary: if you're sensitive to dairy products, egg white protein powders are a reasonable alternative. Keep mind that the load loss benefits are subdued compared to whey or casein. 7. Pea protein. Like soy protein, pea protein contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an entire protein. However, pea protein's amino composition isn't like dairy-based protein powders since it's low in some essential amino acids. Pea protein powder, like this product from Naked Nutrition, is formed from yellow peas. It's hypoallergenic, making it a secure choice for those with intolerances or allergies to exploit soy or egg. What's more, pea protein powder may be a good plant-based alternative to dairy-based proteins for weight loss. In one study examining protein and fullness, men consumed 20 grams of a carbohydrate drink or casein, whey, pea or egg protein half hour before a meal. Second only to casein, pea protein showed a robust effect on lowering appetite, which resulted in participants consuming fewer calories overall. Pea protein doesn't taste like smashed peas, but it's an earthy taste that some people may dislike. If this is often the case, Naked Nutrition offers a chocolate-flavored pea protein powder that's far more palatable. Summary: pea protein may be a plant-based protein made up of yellow peas. It's hypoallergenic, making it suitable for those with food allergies or intolerances. Pea protein can aid weight loss by helping you eat less. Protein powders are only one weight loss tool when it involves losing weight. Creating a calorie deficit is what matters most. A calorie deficit occurs once you consume fewer calories than you expend. You'll accomplish this by eating fewer calories, burning more calories through exercise or a mixture of both. Once you establish a calorie deficit, there are some advantages to increasing your protein intake, which protein powders can assist you do. Increasing your protein intake helps you reduce by increasing feelings of fullness. Protein helps you stay fuller longer, which may lead you to eat less and lose weight. Boosting metabolism. Compared to carbs or fat, protein demands the foremost calories during digestion and utilization. Therefore, raising your protein intake can increase calorie burning. Maintaining muscle mass. When you lose weight, you also tend to lose fat and muscle. Consuming adequate protein, alongside resistance training, can assist you maintain muscle and burn fat. 27 Trusted source. That said, protein powders alone won't assist you lose weight. They only make dieting easier by controlling your hunger. Summary: there are several ways in which increasing your protein intake benefits weight loss. While protein powders can form a part of a larger dieting plan, they won't directly assist you lose weight. The bottom line: many people use protein powders to create muscle, but they will also benefit your weight loss goals. Whey, casein and egg proteins, also as plant-based sources like soy and pea, all make excellent choices for people looking to reduce. Some of these protein powders are fortified with ingredients like caffeine and fiber, which will aid weight loss also. While these products can assist you in losing weight, you'll get the simplest results if you employ them alongside a well-balanced, reduced-calorie diet and exercise routine.